Hello.
Hello.
What is your
My
name?
name is
Hannah, how old are you?
I'm 3
4 years old. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Let's begin now with this one. What is this, Hannah?
Cat.
How many cats do you see? One cat.
One cat.
Do you like cat? Yes, I do. What is this you say?
Dog.
Dog. And what is the color of the dog?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is this you say?
Monkey.
Do you like monkey?
No.
No, I don't. What is this you say?
Dog.
Do you like dog?
Yes.
Yes, I do. What is this you say?
Fish.
Do you like fish?
Yes.
Yes, I do. What is this you say?
Cat.
Crab. Do you like crab?
No.
No,
No,
I don't. What is this you say?
Cow.
Cow. Do you like cow, Hannibal?
Yes.
I do. How many cow do you see? One or two?
One.
One cow. What is this you say?
Gorilla.
Do you like gorilla?
No.
No,
No,
I don't. What is this you say? Horse.
Horse.
Is the horse is fast or slow?
Fast.
Fast. What is this you say?
Sheep.
Sheep. What is the color of the sheep? Color?
Black.
White. What is this you say?
Elephant.
Is the elephant is big or small?
Pig.
Big. What does it say? Starfish.
Starfish.
You say
Zebra.
giraffe. What do you call this one?
Tiger.
Do you like tiger? Arr. Do you like tiger? No, I don't. What is this you say? Lion. All right. How many lions do you see? One or two?
One.
One. Do you like lion?
No.
No,
No,
I don't. Okay, so that's all for today, Hannah Bomb. Goodbye and thank you.